I told you, I'm the babysitter. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay, this one is for Kyle.
Whoa, a biggie.
Does anybody know their name?
See who it's from, Kyle. Give me the card. Give me
Who's
that.
it from?
This is from Grandma and
Does he
Grandpa.
care?
Okay?
We do.
Okay?
You don't care.
Ooh. Ooh.
What is it?
What is that?
Remember we were going to set that up for him?
What is it, Kyle?
At the house? We had
Future
that?
Speed
You're
Truck
gonna set that up
Racing Set. Are we on the side?
Why is there a hand up in front of this picture?
I don't know.
Cards, the cards right, go around.
Oh, well, that's a good idea.
Cool. See the cards?
Whoa, give me the paper.
You got a plastic bag?
She's getting.
Wow.
Okay, give me the paper, Kyle. And
Here.
Okay.
Wow, we.
Give me the paper.
Here's another big one. Who is this big one?
All right.
Daniel.
We'll give not for Kyle one. We'll give somebody else one.
Someone else. You know what, Kyle? You make a pile of your toys.
This is the best part when they start yelling at each other.
You will. I don't know. Let's put it